Hello everyone, and welcome back to day 2 of No Longer Slaves by Bethel Music. Today we will be learning how to sign the bridge. So yesterday we learned how to sign verse 1, the chorus, and verse 2. Today we are signing the bridge. The bridge actually comes in 2 parts, and you'll only need the first part if you're signing the extended version of the song. Myself, I have the radio version. So I only need to learn how to sign the second part of the bridge, but I'm going to teach you both, okay? But before we get there, remember, I'm left-handed. Means if you're right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there's a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so I am surrounded by the arms of the Father. So I, or pointing to yourself for I, and then surrounded. Okay, so you're taking your index finger and going around your non-dominant one. By the arms, you kind of just go over your forearms on both sides. Arms of the Father. Okay, so that's kind of, you have your hands separated and you're here at your forehead. Okay, Father. And then I am surrounded by songs. Okay, we learned that yesterday. Songs of deliverance. So making a D, crossing your arms and then bringing them out. Of deliverance, okay? And then we're delivered again, okay? From, okay, we learned from yesterday, from our bondage. So bondage, you kind of have your arms here, hands here like they're tied, and kind of go back and forth, okay? Bondage. And then we, so once again, W here, we are the sons. So for sons, it's like, because it's a male, holding a ball cap and then going down to holding a baby, and then daughters is like that. Okay, so we are the sons and the daughters. Let us sing our freedom. Okay, so I'd probably just go, let's sing freedom. But if there's time, let us sing freedom. Okay, let's try that from the beginning. So I am surrounded by the arms of the Father. I'm surrounded by songs of deliverance. Okay? And then we, that W, we are delivered from our bondage. We're the sons and the daughters. Let us sing our freedom, so F's, freedom. Same sign as delivered, only now it's X instead of D's, okay? So that's the bridge you need if you're singing the extended version. And then now we're gonna learn the part of the bridge both sections need, but it's the only bridge in the radio version, okay? You split the C's so I could walk right through it. You pointing to God in heaven and then split, okay? Split. So it's almost like you're the top of the triangle here and you pull it apart, okay? Split the C's. So that's a W at your chin and then show the waves, okay? You split the C's. Now if you don't have time to do the W, you can just do the waves, okay? So I can walk, okay? Move your hands back and forth like this. Walk through, okay? Walk right through. Doesn't matter which fingers as long as you're cutting through. And then my fears, and then drowned. So for drowned, you have your non-dominant hand here kind of showing the surface of the water, and your dominant hand here is a thumbs up and it goes down. Okay? So you kind of show that it's between. Once again, it doesn't matter which fingers that it's between, and then pull it down. Okay? My fears are drowned in perfect. Okay? I love the sign perfect. So you just bring your fingers together so perfectly, okay? So you have your index and your thumbs together. Perfect. Sometimes you see it go in a circle. That's okay too. Perfect, okay? In perfect love. Now you rescued me. So rescued is the same as delivered or freed, only this time we're doing R's. So fingers crossed. You rescued me so I could stand. So take two fingers and stand and sing. And then once again, I am a child of God. Now this is where the bridge gets tricky. It repeats that part, but when it repeats, the second line is not my fears are drowned, it's you drowned my fears. And that's tricky, okay? So the second time through, once again, it's you split the seas so I could walk right through it, and then you drowned my fears in perfect love, okay? Flips the words, and that makes it tricky. But stick with it, you'll get there. And even if you make a mistake, remember, God cares way more about your heart than the position of your hands. Okay, so why don't we try it from the top of the bridge, okay? So going back to the part of the bridge that you only need for the extended version, I am surrounded by the arms of the Father. I am surrounded by songs of deliverance. We're delivered from our bondage. We're the sons and the daughters. Let us sing our freedom. Okay, and now the bridge part that everyone uses in the radio. This is your only bridge. You split the seas so I can walk right through it. You drowned my fears in perfect love. You rescued me so I can stand and sing that I am a child of God. Okay, and then it repeats, but remember that second line goes a little wonky there, okay? You split the seas so I can walk right through it. You drown my fears in perfect love. You rescued me so I can stand and sing that I am a child of God. Okay, and that's everything you need for the bridge. So practice as much as you need. And in the next video, we're going to walk through the whole song top to bottom. Hope wherever you are healthy and you are well. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I am so blessed and encouraged to hear over and over again how God is using this channel in order to accomplish his mission here on earth. If you have a story, please leave it in the comments or send me an email. It's so encouraging to me when I hear what sign language worship means to you.